Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. Last video, we have used Home Assistant to create switch button to control our relay box. In this video, I will tell you how to add manual control way for the wall switch to control the relay output. We have already used this mobile phone to turn on and turn off the relay. In this time, we will use this switch panel to turn on and turn off the relay. Just like we can add this switch panel, just two lines. This is self-reset. Just I press will auto-released. When I press again, the light will be on and off. So this is dry node contact. This I have contact to relay 2. And this is relay 1. And if you want to use another style of the switch panel, you just can use like this one. And also this have demo show you how to connect the one lamp for two different switch. Like this can turn on, turn off relay 1. And this also can turn on, turn off relay 1. And this is relay 2. And this is also can control relay 2. If you want to use other styles, you can like this panel. This is 6 button, and this is 8 button. And we can also see the large. This is 32 button. 32 button. All this can choose is up to you. And you can also use this remote to turn on and turn off the relay. So the relay box have many manual control way to control the relay by the switch, by remote, or we can add the Amazon and Alexa and Google Home. At the later video, we will tell you how to use voice control by Amazon and Alexa. And in this video, we use the wall switch. And you can see when I use this turn on and turn off. But you will find when I turn on and turn off, this not be changed. The switch state needed to update. So we need to make the function in our Node-RED to tell the Node-RED which key, which button have pressed, and we need to change the relay state. So let's begin how to use the Node-RED to get the information. This is our Node-RED. The diagram we have created on the last video. In this video, we will use the TCP-in node to get the information and update the relay state. We just use the TCP-in. And also we double click and connect to the controller IP and address. We have the IP and the port. So we can input the port and the IP. And this is string of string is our information type format. And we can use a switch. We can use a debug to see the information. This is a debug. We can see at this operation. We delete all. When we press the button, switch button, and press again, now you can see this is feedback. This feedback means which key is pressed and this key state, real state is what state. So what the command means, you can see our protocol on our website. So this have defined this one, relay key 255 fixed, and this X means which channel of relay, and this 1 means on, and if the 0 means off. So we have copied this command, and this means relay 1 on, and this means relay 1 off. So we can just use this information to use switch node. We can connect to this and double click. We can choose contents. If this means relay on, and this means relay 1 is off, at content off, go to V2, go to V1, and down. Then we use a call service node. This call service node means I can let the components on Home Assistant to change the state. So when we receive the on, relay on, we can do this command. We can double click, and the server is Home Assistant, and the domain is input boolean, this one, because this means this position, and service, we need to turn on this light, and entity ID, we can input light 1, choose the light 1, and down. And also we can copy this node and paste, and this light 1 off. Okay, then we can just use this node. We can see the result, deploy, and this is connected, and we can open this window. When I press the button, you can see this light switch is auto on, and this node is displayed. This is turn on at what time? What time have turned on? And we can press the light again. You can see the switch is auto turn off, change the state. So this go to this way for turn off. So it's very easy to update the state of the relay 1. If you also can copy for relay 2, we can select this and copy and paste. This can delete, and we just we can connect this line. This line just change. This is relay 2. Relay 2 down. And also we can change the light is 2 down. Okay, when we deploy, then you refresh this website. Now I press relay 1, I press relay 2, I close relay 1, close relay 2, I close relay 1. So you can see the state is updated. We can also see the mobile phone. We can see these two mobile phones, and when I press again, 1 and 2, Also, I can use the remote one. And this remote 2. So you can see I use the mobile phone and the remote. Okay, the state is updated at the same time. I think I just place some notes, just 5 minutes, so you can update the state. This video you have learned how to update the switch, wall switch, and the relay state on the Home Assistant application. In next video, I will tell you how to make the relay controller input point for sensor use. Just work as a trigger for Home Assistant. Thanks for watching.